they're ready to do. They are the Yugi-Drunks. Time to do. Yugi-Drunks. And we're back now. Today, we have a couple mysteries to unbox. We are going to be looking at a mystery power box. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what we can pull from a mystery box. The mystery will be flowing incredibly rampant today. The last time I opened one of these, I did pull it off of camera. I got a playmat and some other things, and I thought it was actually pretty good. These are notoriously bad for not having anything in them and being terrible. So today, we're going to take a look. So, fresh off rip, we'll do it blind unbox. We have the infamous 20 common, 20 rares. No, sorry, 20 common cards, 5 rare cards. These you see at Walmart all the time. I think they retail for $7. It is a ripoff. Do not buy these. However, I did see some videos of some people pulling some Starlights from these, and I would love to see what I get. So, boom, bada bing. Right here, boom. You cannot get a better card off of rip. Scapegoat, Yugi-Drunks, Imperial Iron Wall, Pendulum Switch, Bear Blocker, Pendulum Switch, 2 of the same rare. That's what I'm trying to say, man. And these are potentially all commons. If you're spending your $7, do us all a favor. Buy a booster pack or buy the single. So, what else is in our mystery box? Ooh, we got a deck box. Not half bad, actually. I like that. These retail for $20 US dollars. We got packs. Boom. We got our sleeves again. Not bad. I was using those for sleeving my cards. So we got Battles of Legend, Crystal Revenge, Wild Survivors, Duelist Nexus, Tactical Masters, and another Tactical Masters. Bunch of sets that I am not sure of. In the upcoming videos, I also bought a Chaos box. Walmart was doing some clearance, and I figured that I would take a look and take advantage. So you got 2 booster packs, 1 light pack, 50 count sleeve. I'm not sure what counts as a light pack, but we will see. I also picked up, for the great price of $8, some Circuit Break. 3-pack box with the promo card. And in a future video, we will do a mystery cube. Everybody loves these. They have so much good shit in them. So, before we crack our packs, let's get us a quick chug. Oh, God, it's cold. Oh, it's so cold. So, here we go, boys. Tactical Masters. I hope everyone is having an incredible day. Runic Slumber. I'm not gonna try. Labyrinth, Kukla, Scapegoat. We are getting hit after hit on the Scapegoat. Labyrinth, Stovey Torby, Anti-Spell Fragrance, Labyrinth, Mirage. Another Tactical Masters coming up. Quick Booster, Lady of Lament, Runic Smithing Storm, Labyrinth Stovey Torby, Compulsory Evacuation Device, Cosmic Cyclone, and Labyrinth Barrage. The same freaking holo. Fuck! What do you do? What the fuck do you do? I know what I'll do. Chuck some beer. So next up is Duelist Nexus. Still trying to fill out that Yugi-Drunks binder, which I did get. I will show you at the end of the video. Click and Echo, Unchained Soul, Shavara, the Cuckoo Committed Crown, Wheel Synchron, Thessalos, the Shadowfire Monarch. Some new Monarch support. I have not seen this. I am a big supporter of Monarchs. Signs of Tisesna, New World Stars. Big juicy burps for all you fellow viewers. Wild Survivors. This looks like one of those set packs that kind of come out quarterly. Lost World. Ooh, the dinos. Chef Special Recipe. Don't know. True King. Disaster. Miscellaneous Stories. Insane for dinos. Hungry Burger. Shop Hamburger. This will be going straight in the binder just because of the memes. And our final pack for this mystery is Battles of Legend Crystal Revenge. Ooh, Rajin the Breakbolt Star. Chaos Daedalus. DD Crow, probably worth a couple bucks. Dimension Dice, and Advanced Crystal Beast Ruby Carbuncle. I know that you guys are not satisfied seeing only one product open. So, what we will do is open another. I think that we're going to do the triple pack of Circuit Break. I don't know what's in there. But we're going to take a fucking look, aren't we? First, let's take a look at our promo card. What do we have? Ooh, Lockout Gardner will be our promo. Boom, boom, boom. And Sphere Mode. Insane. Cool pool. Here we go. Let's move these to the side. Circuit Break. Our giveaway was successful. I sent it off 2 days ago. Lunalight Crimson Fox. Deflect Compiler. FA Whip Crosshair. Crawler Gilile. Altergeist Siliquitus. FA Pit Stop. Ojama Duo. And Lunalight Kaido Chick. Looking for the ultras and the secrets. I am actively working on trying to get some Crack-A-Pack Chug-A-Beers going on the shorts. I have some editing skills to work on. Lunalight Crimson Fox, Mistar Boy, Crawler Ranveer, Metaphys Ragnarok, Elemental Grade Dorado, Phantom Beast Raiten, and Findred Strikes, Crawler Dendrii, and Ling Ling. My pronunciation is incredibly bad. We are the Yugi-Drunks for a reason. I am incredibly fucked up, boys. So, we'll do a quick beer break. Ooh, do we want to see how ice cold it is? I think we do. Oh, God. Crawler Spine. Gauge Progression Series went crazy on the crawlers. Temple of Mind's Eye. World Legacy Crash, World Legacy Pawns, Vendread Knight, Samurai Destroyer, Dark Angel, Artergeist Kinkery, and Sniffer Dragon. He sniffed the old ba-oh. Okay, we did not hit any big pools, so we're going to hit one more. Potential luck pull. Luck draw, I mean. Let's crack this Maze of Millennia. Okay, Earthbound Prisoner Guard Keeper. Altergeist Marionetter. Ultimate Flame Swordsman. That is actually kind of cool. I don't have any of these upgrades or retrains type things, and I would actually like to have them. Looks kind of cool for my collection, and it's just super nostalgia. I really like it. Sun God Unification. Satellite Synchron. Earthbound Release. Chimera the Flying Mythical Beast. That's going to do it for you boys. Until next time.
What's up, you greasy bastards? Shoe nice again. Well, basically, I want you to put on your game face and subscribe to my buddy Yugi-Drunks. Thank you.